Okay folks, today I've got a real treat for you. This is a vintage Saginaw 3-speed manual transmission with a Borg-Warner Overdrive on the back. And this is a factory option. It came on a limited amount. Hold on a minute. Grab a new light here so we can see a little better. Anyway, this came on mid to late 60s Chevrolet and GMC trucks as an option. And it's a very rare option. I'm sure those who are looking at this and know what they're looking at understand that. Anyway, I know very little about these transmissions. In fact, this is the first one I've ever had. It just came out of the estate of a lifelong hot rodder. And it was stashed away, I'm sure, to use on a future project or one of the projects he had underway. And unfortunately, he's not with us anymore. But very cool. I think this is the assembly code here, 7E17. And yeah, it's all here. I'm going to show you that it spins through all the gears properly. I don't really know how the overdrive works. I think the solenoid cuts out or something at a certain speed, although I don't see any wires coming out of it. And I think this engages the overdrive, but I'm not really sure. There's a custom lever bolted over the factory lever. The bolt comes off and then the factory lever is right underneath there. I decided to leave that on, but we'll include a picture of the lever removed so you can see what's going on there. Put our light right here. And I'm going to show you that it shifts through all the gears properly and turns. You can see here we're just a nice 2-finger operation. There's no corrosion or chipped teeth or anything like that. Just a nice used transmission. Go into this gear here. You see, no sloppy or bindiness, just really nice. And just real nice. You can see we're spinning out back here. Go back into neutral. The engagement teeth all look really nice from what I can see. Here's our last forward gear here. And then we'll go to reverse. Reverse, you'll see everything spinning opposite of itself, and then we're of course spinning this way out back now. And as far as the overdrive goes, I'm kind of curious to see what we're going to do here. If I try to leave it engaged and spin it, but I don't know if this is going to do much for us, but this is with I think overdrive off. I can't even say for sure. And then this, I guess, is with it installed. It does look like it spins at a different speed. So this is out and this is in, or vice versa. So it does look like it does what it's supposed to do. Anyway, just a real nice factory Saginaw transmission with the factory Borg-Warner overdrive. If you've been looking for one of these, don't miss it, guys. They rarely come up for sale. I was looking for comparable listings, and there's really nothing out there. Just a lot of guys talking about how great these transmissions are, and that's about it. The earlier Muncie ones that came behind, like 56, 7 Chevys and that sort of thing, are much more common, and they're apparently quite weak. These ones are known to be quite a bit stronger. This thing is heavy. It's all cast iron. I'm setting it up for local pickup. And if it doesn't move quickly, I'll consider shipping it. But for now, it's going to be a local pickup unit. And yeah, if you've been looking, don't miss it. Thanks.